What are stocks and how do they work? All right, picture this. You own a pizza joint. Business is booming, but you want to expand. Maybe open a couple more spots. Problem is, you don't have enough cash. That's where stocks come in, my friends. Stocks are like little pieces of your pizza joint. You sell these pieces to folks who want to invest in your delicious pies. These folks are called shareholders. And boom, you just got some dough, and not the kind you make pizza with. Now, when you buy a stock, you're buying a slice of that company. If the company makes mad profits, the value of your slice goes up. If it tanks, well, your slice gets soggy. Think of it like betting on your favorite team. If they win, you cash in. If they lose, you don't. So, why do companies even sell stocks? It's simple. They need cash to grow. And why do people buy stocks? To make more cash, obviously. It's a win-win or a lose-lose, depending on how smart your bets are. Let's break it down with an example. You heard of Amazon, right? Back in the day, you could buy a share for like $18. Fast forward to today, that same share is worth thousands. If you bought in early, you're swimming in cash like Scrooge McDuck. But here's the kicker. Stocks can be risky. Remember Blockbuster? Exactly. One day you're hot, the next you're not. So don't go all in thinking you'll get rich overnight. Play it smart, diversify. That means spreading your money across different stocks, so if one goes down, you don't go down with it. Now, there are two main ways to make money with stocks: capital gains and dividends. Capital gains are like when you buy low and sell high. Easy peasy. Dividends are a bit like getting a slice of the profit pie every now and then. Some companies pay you just for holding their stock. Sweet deal, right? So, to wrap it up, stocks are slices of a company you can buy and sell. If the company does well, so do you. If not, well, that's the game. But with some street smarts and a bit of luck, you can turn those slices into a whole pie of profit. All right, that's all for today. If you like this breakdown, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you've got any questions. Until next time, keep hustling and stay savvy, folks.